Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find the gamma of 5 halves. The gamma function is a fascinating mathematical concept that extends the familiar factorial operation from positive integers to complex numbers. For any positive integer n, gamma of n is simply n minus 1 factorial. We will use its properties to calculate a specific fractional value. To calculate gamma of 5 halves, we rely on two key properties. First, the fundamental recurrence relation, gamma of z plus 1 equals z times gamma of z. This allows us to break down complex gamma values. Second, we know that gamma of 1/2 is equal to the square root of pi. These two facts are our main tools. Let's begin by applying the recurrence relation. We can rewrite 5 halves as 3 halves plus 1. So, gamma of 5 halves becomes 3 halves multiplied by gamma of 3 halves. Now, we need to evaluate gamma of 3 halves. We can similarly express 3 halves as 1/2 plus 1, preparing for another application of our recurrence formula. Continuing our calculation, gamma of 3 halves simplifies to 1/2 times gamma of 1/2. Since we know gamma of 1/2 is the square root of pi, we substitute that value. Multiplying everything together, we find that gamma of 5 halves is equal to 3/4 times the square root of pi. This demonstrates the power of the gamma function's properties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.